Hi, Sloth Group. Happy Friday. I hope you've had a great week of learning, and I hope that you can join me today at 10 o'clock for our science activity. Today, you have all of your normal routines, including getting some fresh air and exercise. The first activity you have is a summer word Scrabble. So, this is your word bank right here. And then these are the words you have to unscramble. Now, this exercise is really good for your brain. Your brain has to work really hard to unscramble the words, and it really helps you. It makes it so you're a better speller, you think more critically, and things like that. So, although it might seem challenging, this is a really great activity for your brain. So, you're going to unscramble the word, and you can use the word bank on the side to help you. And then you're going to think about, is the word a noun, an adjective, or a verb, and then color the bucket to match. So it's a two-part activity, okay? And sometimes if you get a little stuck and you're like, I don't know what this word is, it helps to count how many letters there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then see what words over here have 5 letters. And then you can kind of eliminate which ones it's not and which one it could be based off of the letters that you have there. Okay? You also have a poem today. This has a lot of words within that ing family. You're going to read the poem, write your ing words, and then go through and figure out if they're silly words or real words. So real or nonsense, and write how many real words you found. Okay, I'm trying to rush through because I want to talk to you guys a little bit about this. So this is roll and add or subtract with regrouping. Now for this activity, normally you would roll a dice and then you would solve a problem within that column, whatever number you rolled. If you don't have a dice, it's okay. You don't have to do that part. You can just go straight to the math. Okay, but I want to talk to you about subtraction with regrouping. So we've done a lot of adding with regrouping, where when we add with regrouping and the number that we get is larger than 10, we carry it to the next round and then we add. With subtracting with regrouping, it's a little bit different, okay? So on my board, I have 25 minus 17, okay? So looking at this, we would first subtract the ones and then the tens. So the first thing we would do is 5 minus 7. Now we can't do that. 7 is larger than 5. So what we have to do is regroup and borrow from the number next to it. So I'm going to cross out my 2. And I'm going to make this a 1 now. If this was a 3, I'd make it a 2. Whatever it is, you just go 1 less. You're taking 1 10. And then I'm going to put the 10 here. I'm just borrowing it to here. So now 15 minus 7 equals 8. 1 minus 1 equals 0. So my answer here would be 8. Okay, it looks like 80 when you guys are, hopefully this flips around so it's not backwards, because right there it did look a little backwards, okay? I will post an extra video for you guys on this subtracting with regrouping, but just try your best. And for this activity, if you're on this page for more than like 15 minutes, just stop where you are. That's okay. This has a lot of problems on the page, and when you're subtracting with regrouping for the first time, I don't want you to struggle through it. So just work on it for about 15 minutes and then stop there. You did amazing and you did great. I'm so proud of how hard you guys work. Okay? And then your last activity has to do with illustrating and writing about how you can care for your community. We've learned a lot about community throughout this year and throughout this unit. So I want you to write and draw a picture about how can you personally, you as a 5, 6, 7-year-old, how can you take care of your community? What is it that you can do to make our community a better place? Is it picking up trash? Is it helping an elderly neighbor carry in their groceries? Right now, is it staying home when you have the sniffles or you're feeling sick? What is it that you can do to care for your community? Okay, I hope you guys have a great day. I will post that extra video on subtracting with regrouping for you. So if you're having any problems, go ahead, check that out. Or you can always message me and I'm happy to help. Okay, I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you Monday. Bye.